Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Nufara Adriana Pitiamnudan. My matrix number is 23 DLS 19F2034. Okay, I am the first presenter for our group. Our group name is Star Catchers. Okay, for this group there is 4 members and the leader is Sarvesh. Sarvesh and the other member is Shafi and Hazira. Okay, our group ID is B9 and our title is Route4Me application for Tiong Logistics. Okay, for the next slide is table of content. For chapter 1, there is introduction, organization background, organizational chart, product or services, business problem or issues, objective of business project, and scope of business project. For chapter 2, there is proposed solution, proposal planning and costing, and justification. For chapter 3, there is situational analysis, methodology, research design, sampling design, data collection method, and data analysis method. Okay, for the conclusion, there is reference. Okay, for introduction, transportation is one of the important departments in logistics, whereby it involves both air freight and sea freight. Delivery of cargo, either inbound or outbound, will be handled by transportation department. It is the responsibility of the transportation department to deliver customers' goods on time and safely. There are a few advantages of sending cargo as per customers' request, such as increasing company's profit through transport department, gain trust and respect from customer, and many more. Transportation department normally consists of inbound and outbound sectors, whereby their main responsibility is handling inquiries regarding delivery address, date of delivery, sender or receiver details. Drivers are part of this department and responsible to deliver or pick up customer goods on time. As we all aware, it's not an easy task to deliver cargo or goods on time to customer, especially during heavy traffic, facing communication barrier within same department or with other department, improper standard operating procedures, and lack of transportation resources such as trucks and lorries. For organization background, Tiong started out as a small-scale cargo business handling consolidated cargo and micro-distribution within peninsular Malaysia. Okay, Tiong ventured into commercial and industry property development for warehouse and factories. Tiong also opened their Vietnam and China branches and started their Asian cross-border trucking deliveries. Okay, for organization chart, as you guys can see the board of directors, the managing director is Y.N. Ong, the executive director is Rosa Ong, the second executive director is Victor Ong, and the chief executive assistant is Janice Young. The SNR financial controller is TL Low. The group operations director is John Chua. Okay, for the general managers, there is 12 people, and for branches head of department there is 10 people. Okay, for product and services, the service provider for Tiong Logistics is custom brokerage, haulage and transport, warehousing, last mile delivery, and courier services. So that's all from me. Shafi will continue this presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafi Alami Misaka Roshan. My matrix number is 23DLS19F2048 and I'm from the DLS5B, and I will be presenting my slide, which is slide number 5. The slide is about business problem or issues. So there is 2 types of problem in our business project. First is the problem that we found in Tiong Logistics is that they have been using a very old system for their delivering goods, which will not update on time and make all goods delivery late. And the second is a last minute change of address from the customer makes the goods have been distributed and had to deliver the goods at the wrong location. And the next slide will be business project objective. So our business project objective is, number 1, is to provide suggestion regarding the problem for late delivery due to wrong documentation at the Tiong Logistics Shah Alam. And the second one is to provide appropriate strategies to solve the problem encounters. And number 3 is to make the work more systematically in Tiong Logistic Parcel Hub to avoid the different route in sending the parcel. Next slide is about scope of project. So our scope of project is the business project scope is solving the problem of late delivery due to wrong documentation of parcels in Tiong Logistic Shah Alam, which is in Selangor. And the idea that we give to solve the late delivery due to wrong documentation problem is by using a Route4Me application. Next slide is about a limitation of business project. So there are 3 limitations of the business project, which is limited data access. Number 2 is limited time to complete this project. And number 3 is lack of connection. Proposed solution. So proposed solution is the Route4Me Route Planner offers delivery management features and reporting and analytics capabilities to help Tiong Logistic to collect and interpret historical logistic data. And Route4Me Route Planner helps to track and monitor metrics in comprehensible way, offering Tiong Logistic a visual overview of your career service performance. And with using Route4Me application, you can get reports on the total of delivery routes in Tiong Logistic Plan and Navigated. The second is the total of stops Tiong Logistic delivery driver services. And the third is plan and actual distance. And the fourth is plan and actual route stops. And the last is plan and actual route time. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, a very good day to everyone. My name is Sarvesh. I am from DLS 5B and my metric ID is 23DLS19F2090. So my part of the slides are justification of business project selection. So there are 3 main things, which is the first one is the problems Tiong Logistic will be facing from this project are late delivery due to different routes and late delivery due to wrong documentation. So the second one will be to assist Tiong Logistic repair the trust of Tiong Logistic customers. The third one is late delivery due to different route and due to incorrect documentation. So this will affect the community and will result in late delivery arrival of goods. So the second part is SWOT analysis and survey analysis. So there are 4 different types of SWOT analysis, which is strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So whereby in strength we have easy to communicate and also available in Android and iOS. The opportunities are ability to connect with various devices and also ability to connect depending on their Wi-Fi selections. And then the threats are competition with existing applications and also technological problem like malware problem or bugs problem. Weakness are not available in offline, so you need Wi-Fi connection in order to have this. And also slow adoption with new technologies. That is SWOT analysis and survey analysis. And this is the 5C analysis, which we have company, customers, competitors, collaborators, and also climate. So in company we have strengths and goals, climate we have economic factors and stuff. And also we have customers whereby we have the comment and feedback of the customer is very, very important. Competitors, other career that makes the best services as well, that is the weakness and also the competing partner. Collaborators, Tiong Logistic has collaborated with Yongtai PhD and also Novel Energy International Limited. So that is 5C analysis. Okay, next is meteorology. So meteorology, we have three main points, whereby the first point is this creates a continuum of methodologies that stretch across competing understanding of how knowledge and reality are best understood. This situates methodologies within overarching philosophies and approaches. And the next one is quantitative research is a type of research relating to quantities that can be measured. This research method emphasizes number error or statistics in the collection and analysis of data. And the last point will be quantitative research is a type of research that aims to find out people's opinions and feeling rather than information that can be easily be shown in quantities. So that is meteorology. And this is research design. So research design, we have 2 points, which is quantitative research was done to collect information and also via questionnaires. So we ask questions using questionnaires to Tiong Logistic. And also the questionnaire was also completed by 30 people who works in Tiong Logistic. That's all. Thank you guys.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nazar binti Wahid. Nama Matis 2TLS90F2062. Today I would like to present about research design, data collection method, data analysis method, conclusion, reference, Gantt chart. First, I would like to explain about research design. Research design is the framework of research method and technique used by a researcher. Quantitative research is a type of research related to quantity that can be measured. Quantitative research was done to collect information via questionnaire. The questionnaire was completed by 13 people. Data collection method, the procedure of collecting, measuring, and evaluate current insight for study using established approved procedure is known as data collection. Interview on 7 April 2022. An interview was conducted by Tiong Logistic Shah Alam. This is because the SOP by the company itself. The second method was a questionnaire administered via Google Form to the company survey. Questionnaire on 8 April 2022, the Google Form for the questionnaire was given to the person in charge so that the person can give the Google Form to all the employees. Data analysis method that has been used in this case is by interview, survey, and observation with the manager and some of the employees, also the driver. The summary is the result of a survey questionnaire that has been distributed to the Tiong Logistic. The goal of this project is solving the problem that faced by the company in late delivery and war documentation. This may help in saving time and could make their working process even more effective. Major respondents agree that by using unsystematic method will slow the delivery and of goods parcel to the warehouse or to the courier. Conclusion that delivery is the common problem that Tiong Logistics face. The solution that can help to fix the problem is by make a barcode that the deliverer can scan and update it without the Route4Me application. The detail will go direct to the place that deliver when to deliver the goods. Here are some references that our group used to prepare our proposal. Gantt chart are activities for our business project week. 1 is brainstorm. Week 2, selection topics. Week 3, identify problem. Week 4 is explanation about registration. Week 5, checking the registration. Week 6, registration presentation. Week 7, writing proposal report. Week 8, proposal presentation.